Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Spotify. If you are using any iPhone or any Android and you want to use Spotify, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to open your App Store or Play Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Spotify, and you must have to install your Spotify app. Once you have installed, you have to simply open your Spotify app, and here very first you have to try to log in with your account. If you don't have any account, just tap on this sign up option and then sign up in which way you want. You can easily use your email, your Apple ID, or your Google account. I'm just going to use my Google account here. Just tap on continue option, and here just select your Google account, and then you must have to log in with your Google account by tapping on this continue option here. And once your account has been logged in, you must have to enter your date of birth. And once you have entered your date of birth here, just tap on next option, and then you must have to select your gender. Once you have selected your gender, just enter your name. Once you have entered your name, just tap on this terms and policies option, then tap on create account, and your account will be created in the Spotify. Once you have created your Spotify account, you must have to choose your three or more artists which you want to listen to. For example, I'm going to select any three from here. Once you have done this, tap on this done option, and then wait for this loading. Then tap on start listening now if you want to listen to music, or if you don't want, just tap on not now option. And you can see our Spotify account is now ready. You just have to go for the search option and you can search for any music which you want to listen. Here your library, you'll get your addition here, or if you can also import your own music here. Just tap on this import option and then select the app from which you want to import your music, and your music will be successfully imported into your library section. You can also get Spotify Premium from here. So in this way, you can easily use your Spotify app on your iPhone or any Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.